Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper Appointment Booking widget to your Webflow website. An appointment booking widget can help your visitors schedule meetings easily, improve conversions, and make your website feel more professional and organized. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Appointment Booking and open the widget. Once the widget opens, the first thing you'll see is the Content tab. Here, you can change the widget title and edit your services, including the service name, price, and duration. Next, go to Branding, where you can change the logo and cover image. In the Business Profile section, you can turn the profile display on or off and customize it. Then, under Notifications, you can enable the setting to send appointment notifications and choose the reminder time, such as 1 hour before or 2 hours before. After that, go to the Availability tab. Here, you can select the time zone, choose the booking window, and edit your weekly schedule and available time. In the Design tab, you can choose whether to add the widget as an embed, an inline, or a floating button. Then, in Styling, you can change the widget width, background, accent, and text colors. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, copy the code and go to your Webflow site editor. Inside the editor, add a code embed block, then paste the installation code into it and click Save and Close. After that, publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.